All these rules, man. Move it, dude. $7.21. Where is 7.21? Oh, I see it. Yeah, this place has lots and lots of rules. Where is those reverse lights? There they are. Did you guys see that? We flipped on those reverse lights. Like landing a 747, come on. Oh, la 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 la. Crazy angle. Turn those headlights off so that guy make his job a little easier. Let's turn them off. We're getting annoying. We're getting annoying, come on. So yeah, this place has a lot of rules. Got sliding tandems. Thing was stuck to the asphalt there. Ooh, that light is bright. Girl, slide. There you go. Tight fit. Found it. Yeah, you got rules, man. You guys hold your ears. This landing gear might be a little loud. of guys put their hand up here and rest themselves while they're cranking landing gear down. This is my trailer, so if you did that, you'd have a grease spot right there, you know. So we don't want a grease spot. We don't wear our gloves inside the truck. We don't get the steering wheel greasy. Airbags going down. Hold on a second, E-Log's not happy. There we go. Alright. Ease up under this thing. There we go. Beautiful, beautiful. Airbags up. Brake pulled. Could have pulled up a little bit further. Shoulda, woulda, coulda. This thing right here is nasty. You got to be careful around all this stuff. You'll get grease all over you. You know, you do not want to get one more wheel chock. Lots of safety precautions. And then you take your key inside and hang it up on the wall. So there you go, ladies and gentlemen. Rules, 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 rules. See ya. Are you guys straight? La 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 la. La 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 la. Gloves off. Suspension down. Watch out, we're backing up. Suspension up. For you non-trucking people, that's the airbags. We're letting the airbags down to get under the trailer. Let the airbags go back up. I don't think they... We didn't wait long enough to latch. Yeah, latch. Okay, cool. Alright. Nothing but these red lights and these faded out handles, you really can't see which is which. You know, you do not want to put the wrong color in the wrong spot. So what we will do is turn on the phone's flashlight. Oh yeah, look at that, look at that. We good or what? We good, come on. We are good. This old Great Dane, I tell you what, it's a fine line between high and low gear. Well, I still didn't get it. Come on, baby. It's there, it just goes back in way too easily. Too good of a grease, you know? A lot of work for a 30-minute unload. A lot of work. Oh, la 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 la. Oh yeah, come on, baby. Yeah, jaws are locked. Beautiful, beautiful. Hit the, I don't know what it is. Air slide. These are just empties. If they would ask my opinion, I would load these over here in the middle of the trailer and not off to the side. But like I said, they are just empties. So I'm using some old straps that I don't really care about because they don't allow me on the dock. And that way, if they mess up my straps, it'll be okay. Because you can tell how they took them off here. They didn't know what they were doing. Yeah, these are all, they ride pretty good. But look at that. I want y'all to look at that right there. This here, there's a big old hole right there. You know, so you got idiots, man. Seriously. Idiots. Oh, Lordy. Lordy, Lordy, Lordy. I didn't get my light connected good. I do not have the switch on. We're going to figure it out because we'll need that light to back into my driveway at 4 in the morning. You know? Did you unlock their pins? Just slide those wheels up. Yeah, the light's on. So I gotta get a better job of holding it there. I don't think those pins are sliding. It's gonna take a minute to get some air to it. This old Great Dane, sometimes if you don't let that air build up back there on the back, there's a valve needs fixing on it. So you get a few minutes to work, you know, and then they'll slide. It's not cool, man. It's not cool. My light's not working. Alright, now why are you not working there, light? I'll not give up. It was working before I dropped the trailer. Now it's not working no more. Must have popped a fuse. They hit the wrong switch a while ago. That wouldn't have anything to do with it. I don't know. Holy crap, nothing's working for me today. Unbelievable, man. There we go, let's get out of here. See ya.
I'm not cruising in my big rig. I'm watching Idiotic Ramblings with Life is Good. Come on.